Good morning, everybody. It's cold. It's cold and it's wet. It's about 45 degrees. It's raining until about 9:30, so I'm getting out kind of late. The sun is peeking out here and there, and I see some blue patches. So hopefully it gets a little nicer on the weather front today. But it's going to be exciting because we have a major milestone today, and you'll see it when we get to it. So I'm pretty excited about that. So thanks for coming with me. Let's take a walk. When you're out here in the spring or late winter and there's no leaves on the trees, you can see forever. Like I can see that there's a stream down in there. And this is a cool mountain stream. It's starting right there. We're right at the top of the mountain, so it starts right there. And I'm gonna kind of do what I don't like to do and follow the stream with my video. It's heading right down the mountain. It's the halfway point for 2018-2019. I suppose there's going to be a halfway point for 2022. But anyway, kind of interesting. Dead Woman's Hollow. There's a parking lot here. Interesting. So we're heading north. Well, luckily I missed it, but I can see that the trail had water flowing down here probably last night. So at least it's drained a little bit. I wonder what killed all these trees. I wonder if it was intentional or they had a forest fire or something. I've concluded it was a forest fire. You can see the black on the bark of these trees. We're walking on some kind of forest road. Doesn't look like a traditional logging road, but anyway, I like it. It's a really nice place to take some time. So all I have to do is ask the question. It was a prescribed burn. You know, I'm thinking about that controlled burn area. I've been through places where there were controlled burns, like right after they got done with it. And the trees were not damaged. So I'm sure that's not what killed the trees, but it's kind of interesting to know that we're going through an area that had a controlled burn. It's a flower. I haven't seen any in a while. A tribble. Ah, the trail is a stream. The wind is starting to blow. I saw on the weather map that it could potentially snow, so hopefully I'm off the mountain before that happens. Not that anybody cares, but it's positively bear crap. So eyes open. I don't want to jinx it, but this trail has been really nice today. So hope it keeps up. The sun is peeking out. It's warming up. So this is Woodrow Road that we're crossing. Definitely passable by car. Looks like they recently put stone on it. Uh-oh, it's raining. Correction! It's sleeting. I mean, it's not snow, but it's sleet. Sleet! You can hear it hitting the trees. We have several springs right here. It's running right down along the trail. So I'm gonna get soggy. Now the sun's out. Crazy. I just want to show this. So the trail maintainers build these dams to shed the water away from the trail. And it works for the most part, but there's still water coming out of the soil, so it's wet all the way down. I guess one thing I'm thankful about, the rocks are not slippery. Their texture is such that my shoes grab to them, so that's helpful. Look how cool this is. Coming right down the mountain. And look how clear that water is. It's like a tiny furnace. I'm not sure why that's here. We're at Tom's Run Shelter. This one has more of those tent pads, which are level. Has a picnic area, and we'll go down and take a look at the shelter in a second. This is the same construction we saw at the Deer Lick shelters, that place where there were two shelters together. And this is look at that fire pit. That's pretty serious. And we got more tent pads on down there. And we have some kind of a picnic area / corral over here. I do want to point out that the rainwater has found its way right down along the shelter. Once again, it's a tongue and groove construction, so it's some kind of a kit that they get and put these together. But they are really, really nice. And once again, we got a bear hanger in case you want to hang your bears up. It's sleeting again. I just went through that. There was no way around. The water was coming down from up above and heading down below. My feet are soaked all the way through. That is crystal clear. Also, there's no way across, so this could be interesting. Went across the rotten log, but this used to be a bridge. You can see the rebar on this piece of wood, and there's a matching one right above that rock. Is that what I think it is? Yes, it is. It's the official halfway point. Halfway. Let's cross over. Now we're halfway. Exciting. Woo! Maybe we can take a moment here and reflect. Yeah, let's keep going. Did I mention that it rained last night? Looks like we're at Chow Road. This section is really interesting. It's like a lot of dead trees, or it's been mowed or something like that. There's a cabin. Just think how cool it'd be to have a cabin in a forest like that. Well, that's the greenest spot I've seen all year. Not sure why there's grass growing here, but there is. Kind of cool. Something definitely lives there. Don't know what. Ooh, looks like we're sneaking up on Pine Grove Furnace. And just in time, it's sleeting again. Ha! That's funny. We are done for the day. I'm going to spend the night at the Iron Master's mansion, which should be exciting, and I'll put some pictures in here and stuff. You know, I'm going to go explore this whole Pine Grove area for a while, so I might even do a separate video on that. So what an exciting day. We had rain and sleet and sun and wind and kind of all the weather that you could hope for, and we crossed the halfway mark, which is super exciting. So thanks for coming with me. And remember, where we're going, we don't need roads.